Lesson 7. Here we go. You need to use Facebook the right way. Okay? So as an agent, here is a tip. You need to post at least once or twice per day. It could be a personal life post. It could be something about an update sa mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo, di ba? Pwede mong gawin yon. Or pwede rin na try ka mag-inspire ng mga tao, or you can give them a funny story. You can give them a funny thing that you have. Wag lang share ng share, ha? Create the post on your own. So 1 to 2 posts per day. Another thing is, for every post you make, okay, 4 na post na gagawin mo, you can post 1 listing. Why? Because this way, hindi sila makukulitan. You're not teaching them to unfollow you. You are not teaching them na kalimutan nila yung mga pinopost mo kasi puro ka lang naman benta. So maganda na mag-post ka every 4 na personal or spiritual or funny or life post, and then after 4, you do a listing. Ba't kailangan mag-listing, Carl? Para ma-remember nila na ahente ka. Na para kapag ready na sila, ikaw ang iisipin nila. And finally, 5 stories in every day. So, in that 5 stories, make sure na yung isa is a listing or a real estate related post. Okay? So, ano yung mga pwede mong i-post? You can post happy clients na meron ka sa journey mo or journey ng Commune Realty kapag wala ka pang benta. Pwede mong gamitin yung mga clients natin, yung mga pictures natin to help you. Another thing, i-post mo rin yung mga site visits, yung mga trippings, yung mga lessons, di ba? Yung mga everything na involving sa real estate, i-post mo. Para malaman nila that you're very active in your industry. It also shows authority. It also shows diligence and hard work on your end. And finally, ito, crucial din to, funny behind the scenes things. Pwede mong i-post yan. Pag meron ka ng experience na nakakatawa, okay? And for your activity, check on the social media page part of your journal para makatulong pa sa'yo kung ano yung mga pwedeng tips, kung ano yung mga pwede mong i-post. And finally, make a week-long plan kung ano yung ipopost mo both on Facebook, sa profile mo, and sa yung stories. Okay? So, once you're done with that plan, pwede ka na mag-proceed sa lesson number 8. Huy, i-post mo ha, gawin mo. Baka yung iba sa dire-diretso lang. I-post mo to. Gawin mo talaga. Interactive ang goal natin dito, okay? So, once you're done, see you on the next one.